Swagger Entertainment is your boy DJ Swagger, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a reaction video of my boy Stromedy. So Stromedy, he did a video from yesterday, and it looks like it's coming from the clowns from Los Angeles, and we're about to see how's it going. So in the next video, I'm gonna do another video, but it's gonna be different. So we're gonna see how Stromedy's doing from yesterday. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yo, those clowns are in the train? Yo. What the frick? Yo, they're going panicking. Yo, I wish I could go in California, but
It's literally right freaking there. It's coming, dude. It's a train filled with clowns. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, yo, I'm gonna open it. What? Look at this. Hey, yo, I see him. Oh my god.
yo, that is insane, bro.
What the hell is going on right now? Oh my freaking god. Yo, look, there's 4 clowns on that freaking train. What the hell is it doing? Okay, Stromedy Squad, I did not expect to film a freaking video right now. That is until we literally see these clowns driving around on trains right now. Look at him, he's turning around, he's coming back. Back to the house?
Yo.
Trying to attack us? I don't know, do you think they're here for us, or do you think they're
they probably are here for us. Obviously, they're like going back to our house.
What the hell?
Yo, I'm not yo, Yana, I'm not sure if they are coming for you guys, but there's a lot of clowns who can attack people, but this, when there's like 1, there's gotta be more. But when there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if you're alone, then you can win. You can win. Like you cannot win against that. But if you can do it, then believe in yourself.
Look, he's coming again.
Yo, that is insane, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 clowns.
Crazy, dude. First we've seen them on tanks, boats, ATVs, and now little kitty trains.
Yo, what's next? Submarine and planes? The same thing I said. Yo. What the frick, man?
More than 1. There's more than 2. Yeah, dude, what if General Greenie escaped and is coming back for revenge?
Oh, yo, wait, the same general that used to be? Oh my god, yo. If that's the same general, then they're in big trouble, man.
Using this train as things like mode of transportation, you don't need to bring him.
Yo.
Oh my god, dude, look, he just keeps turning around, dude, and they're doing it in front of our house. There has to be some sort of significance to our...
Yo, it's the same general. Guys, it's the same general.
Dude, how many
Oh
times
my
is he
god.
our freaking house right now?
Probably until like he attacks us.
Yeah.
Something it looks like. Do you think he even noticed us yet? I don't know. Look, he's turning around again. Stromedy Squad, this is getting freaking weirder by the minute. Should we call the cops or something?
I don't know, man.
Yo, I don't know. Bro.
Dude, I have a feeling they're about to launch an assault on us. Should we take the drone up and try to see if we can get a better...
Yeah, that's a better idea. Stromedy, that's a better idea. Put the drone up and then let's see how the clowns are going to react, man. Because this is going to be insane. Oh my god.
Right now, where's the drone? Dude, it's right over here. Okay, no, we're gonna set up the drone.
Yo, that is insane, guys.
Lock the door. Lock the door. Quick. Oh my god. No, quick, lock it. We see? What the hell are they doing? What?
They're preparing to attack.
I think they are. Get the drone ready. Yo, they're pulling up right beside our house.
Yo, they're stopping over there. Oh my god. Yo, that is insane. Oh my god.
What the hell? Yo, look, oh my god, what the hell are they freaking doing, dude? Oh my god.
Yo, are they insane? What the frick? Yo, what the frick? Oh my god. Yo, that is insane, bro. Oh my god. Yo, they took Andre.
They freaking took Andre. What the hell are they doing? Yo, go back up.
We have to find him and get back.
Go back up to the front.
Oh my god, they took Andre. Yo, that is insane, bro. Oh my god.
Oh my god, yo, they're all going back. They're all going back. What the hell? There's Andre. What the hell? Oh my god, yo, look, Andre's right there.
Yo. Oh my god, they got Andre, guys. They got freaking Andre.
Stronger. I don't think we can confront them right now. No, I don't think so, dude. What the hell? Look, they're putting him in the back of the train. They're freaking taking him. Where do you think they're gonna take him?
Probably in the clown headquarters or something.
Look at the clowns. They look excited. They're lost. They're like celebrating. Yeah, one of them. Holy crap. Dude, look. They're freaking taking Andre. Oh my god, Andre. Andre, we're gonna come for you. Don't worry, dude. Don't worry. What the hell? Okay,
Yo.
the best bet would probably be to either follow them on the car or get the drone up.
Oh my god, guys. Yo, guys, that is freaking insane. Yo, they took Andre. No. I want to do a reaction video of Andre. Now it's gone. Ah. But don't you guys worry. We're gonna see how it goes.
Hey, Jonah, oh my god, look, they're right over there, dude. They're totally disappearing right now. Okay, get the drone.
Oh my god, that is insane, guys.
Yo, are they still there? Yeah. Yo, I can see them on the freaking drone still. Really? Yeah, look,
Yo.
they're freaking right there, dude.
Oh my god.
Haven't played Crossout before? Now is the time.
So that means they're still continue even if they're in the train. Oh my god. Yo,
What the
that
hell
is
going
insane,
on?
bro.
This is absolutely ludicrous, guys. Oh my god. Yo, look at this.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
all the freaking clowns are in
They
the
got
train
big
right now.
scissors, big
Yo,
axe.
look, you can see Andre in the back. Look, what are they doing? You can literally see Andre in the back. Oh my god. Yo, look, oh my god. Yo, it looks like the clown just hit him or something. Wait, yo, I think the clown just put duct tape on him. What the hell are we freaking
Yo.
This is freaking insane right now. Oh my god, Stromedy Squad. Look at these freaking clowns in this train, Stromedy Squad. This is insane. Oh
They're
my
so
god.
angry. Look at them.
Yeah, they look so freaking
Waving
angry
their
right now.
weapons and
Yo,
stuff.
they're mad,
Okay,
boy.
yo, I'm gonna bring the drone high right now and see where they go. Are they gonna make a left or a right turn right now?
Right, they're making a right one.
God, yo, we should get in the Tesla and try to follow them while on the drone. Yeah? Okay, let's go.
Yo, that's true, that's true. Go. We don't want to lose Andre. Come on. We lost you once, Stromedy, but we don't want to lose another. Come on. Go to the Tesla, man. The Tesla is super fast.
Yo, DK, yo, I see them right now. DK, hurry up.
Hurry up, man. Oh my god. That is insane. Yo.
They're on the other street. Okay, Stromedy Squad, you guys can see us right there on the Tesla. We're coming in hot right now to catch up to the freaking clown. Make a right? Yeah, make a right, dude. Make a right. They're all the way on the other side of the street. I can see them right now.
Yo, that is insane.
Dude, maybe they brought a train because they have multiple houses and multiple victims to catch up with, and they're taking multiple of them. Oh, right there. Yeah, they're right there. Oh my god, you see them? Oh my god. Stromedy Squad, we're pulling up behind them. Okay, yo, creep up behind them, dude. But don't let them notice that we're here. It's a good thing we're in the Tesla because this thing's really silent.
Yo, that is insane.
Look at them. They're freaking right there. Oh my god, dude. This is insane. Dude, this
Are there any people who can stop them or something?
Yana, you can see them right there?
Yeah, they're right there. Be careful, DK.
Stromedy Squad, we're right behind the freaking train right now, filled with clowns. Oh my god. Yo, they captured Andre. They taped his mouth. Yeah, what are they trying to do with him, dude?
Yo, maybe they're going to get some revenge because...
Trying to take General Greeny or no? No, I don't know. It could be possible. Stromedy Squad, okay, we are trying to see where these clowns are taking Andre right now. They're probably going to take him to, like, the clown headquarters or something.
Yo, these clowns are going to go in the headquarters, man. I'm so surprised and shocked.
Leading us to more clowns, which would not be good because then we'd be heavily outnumbered. Let's just be a setup, you know what I mean? Like, they're just trying to lure us in purposely to get all of us.
It's like a trap.
Yeah, this is freaking insane right now. Should I try to get closer? Oh my god, yo, he's trying to hit us!
Yo, that is insane. Yo, are they trying to hit us?
Yo, where's the driver going? Yo, look at all the weapons they have.
He might be like driving, like luring us somewhere.
Look at the clown in the front. He looks freaking crazy. He looks like a lunatic.
Yo, that is
Look at
true,
him.
man.
Yo, he's probably getting mad because we have the drones flying on them. Yo, Stromedy Squad, look, you guys can see us right there in the freaking Tesla, and the freaking train is right in front of us. Oh my god. Yo, look at this clown. Look at this clown. Yo, it looks like he's gonna notice us, dude. Like, look.
Yeah, they're looking at us.
Dude, this is not freaking good. Look at, they're all freaking looking at us. They look pissed. Holy crap. It's really, really bad. Like, I'm not getting a good feeling about this whatsoever.
Yo, this is insane, guys. Yo. Oh my god, guys. They're going in Chris, guys. Oh my god,
Where
yo.
are they going? This train is slow. They gotta be going somewhere significant.
They're probably luring us somewhere, Kyle.
No, they're making it right. They're making it right. Making it right? Okay, follow them. Follow them. Oh my God. Yo, what do you think other cars are gonna think if they see this?
I don't know, dude. I think they're gonna call the police to me.
What?
Yeah, they're gonna call the police like immediately.
Turn around again.
Like they were definitely gonna call the police. I mean, come on. The police gotta do something. If they don't do something, they're probably gonna end into a war against the clowns, and then there's gonna be people going or something like that.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Yo, look at these people. They're all looking at them right now. Yo, Yana, look. They're all freaking looking at them.
Crap! They must be freaking out too.
Oh my God! That clown's like on the top of the freaking train right now. What the hell?
There's another car coming right now. What are they gonna think?
Dude, I think they're just going in loops right now. Like, I have no idea what they're trying to do.
They're probably just trying to get rid of us. They're trying to lose us.
Yeah, they're never gonna lose us. The Tesla's way faster
I
than
know. I can't believe I'm seeing clowns on trains right in front of me right now. This is insane.
Yo, whatever they're trying to do, this cannot be good. Yo, but it's weird how they took him alive. Like, maybe they're trying to convert Andre into a clown. You know
Or
what I'm
they're just
saying?
trying to lure us with
No.
Yeah, what the heck? Okay, Stromedy Squad, this is freaking insane right now. I cannot believe what is happening. This has got to be one of the craziest videos that have ever happened to us in Arizona. Look at him. He looks so mad. These clowns look finished. Wait, they're stopping. They're stopping. DK, stop too. Wait, yo, they're getting out. They're getting out.
What do we do?
Dude, I don't know. What the hell? Yo, wait, they're bringing Andre out. They're bringing Andre out.
What the
Oh my God. Yo, DK.
Yo, they bring Andre. Yo, what?
Hey, back it up. We want to make sure that we're not going to interfere. Oh my God, yo, look, they're bringing Andre out. Oh my God. Yo, look at it.
They're beating Andre. Oh my God.
It's freaking insane. Yo, look, they're picking up. Okay, DK, right here's good. Oh my God, okay, yeah, I think we're far enough away that they won't notice us. Yo, look, this clown's lifting him up. Oh my God, and it looks like the other clowns are freaking encouraging him. This is getting bad. Yo, look, they're putting Andre on the ground. You see this?
They're gonna try to hit him.
Dude, I don't know. You think that's what they're trying to do?
Oh my God.
Like the old movies?
We have to do something now.
Oh my God,
no.
he's on the ground, dude. Wait, they're turning around. DK, back up some more.
Guys, it's getting
Oh
bad.
my God, this is getting really freaking bad. What the hell is going on? Yo, wait, I have that clown costume in the back.
You do?
That fake one that I used to trick clowns into thinking that I'm one of them.
Oh, that's true, boy. That's true.
And try to stop this operation from happening.
Yo, that's super dangerous.
Yeah, should I try?
Yeah, you should try it, man. You should try it. Oh my God, this is gonna be insane. Yo, I should watch this. Oh my God. Yo. Oh my God, this is gonna be insane. Come on, Stromedy.
Here, DK, you fly the drone. Yana, you try. Okay, pass the camera.
Yo, is it in the trunk?
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Okay.
Stop the trunk.
I opened it.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is gonna be insane. Come on. Yo, dress up, man. Dress up.
Holy crap. Yo, look, they're going right now. They're about to do it. They're about to turn around and run over Andre right now.
Oh, the drone. Do you see it?
I got the costume right now. Yo, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Yo, hopefully this works. Due to tricking them that I'm one of them and I can try to stop them. I'll try to tell them that the clown general told them to abort the mission and not to run over Andre, to actually bring him in alive. Hopefully that buys us some extra time in order to rescue him.
Be really careful because if they find out that it's actually you, you're screwed.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna be as careful as I can. But yo, Andre's worth the risk. I'm gonna risk it for Andre, okay?
Okay, super safe.
Oh yeah, super safe.
Okay, I'm going right now. Yo, does this look good? Yeah, you look just like them.
We're gonna be following closely with the car, okay?
Okay, good. You got the drone, right?
Yeah, I got it.
You can see me? Yeah, I can see you right now. Okay, guys, wish me luck. I'm gonna
I wish you luck, Stromedy. Oh my God, this is insane.
Okay, guys, they're about to run over freaking Andre right now. Holy crap, oh my God, they're about to run over. Yes, stop the train. Stop the train. What's going on right now? What are you guys trying to do right now? Where are you going? I'm trying to stop the train, okay? What are you trying to do? You have to be exterminated. You guys gonna try to run the train over here?
Look, that's really Kyle right there. You guys see it on the drone?
Oh my God.
Holy crap, I don't want them to figure out it's Kyle.
They're getting mad.
Oh, they're getting really mad and they're about to hit Andre.
They're interfering with a military operation. You can't do it. Get down. Why are you doing this? Listen, I have orders from the clown general that this prisoner over here needs to be left alone, okay? You guys can't let him over with the train. He's better be real orders. They're very mad. Who are you? I'm the newest clown. I was sent as a messenger from the clown general. I don't care about the clown general. It's time for him to die.
Oh my God, this is insane.
If what this clown is saying is true, we're in a lot of trouble. Put him in the train. Put him in the train. The clown general will be way more
god.
I have no idea. He's probably trying to.
Oh my god. Andre, please be alive. Oh my god. Oh shit, this is gonna be insane. Yo.
I think Kyle's fitting in right now.
Oh my god, I think they're believing Kyle.
You guys go sit up front. I'll make sure this prisoner doesn't get away, okay? Are you sure? Yeah, I'm sure. That is sure. If he tries anything, I got this saw to deal with it. Okay.
Yo, stupid.
Head back in the train. All aboard. Okay, guys, I'm getting in the train. Oh my god. Holy crap. Yo, Kyle's getting in.
Oh my god, okay, we have to get ready to follow.
Listen, prisoner. You be quiet, okay? Yo, Andre. What the hell? Yo, I snuck in with using the fake clown costume, and I ordered them not to run over you with the train. They were about to run over you.
Ah, this is gonna be insane, yo.
Yeah, take that off here. Take that off. Oh my god. Dude, I freaking saved you, dude. I told them that the clown general wanted you kept alive and not to kill you. But they were gonna run me over right now? I know, dude. Okay, yo, now we just gotta figure a way to get off this train. Are you good? Yeah, dude, I'm good. I saved them. Yo, dude, we just gotta figure a way to get off this train safely. Yo, just keep following us. Crap, this is insane.
Yo, this is insane.
I know, this is
Oh my
crazy,
god.
dude. These clowns are insane right now. Dude, that clown at the front that's operating the train, he was this close to running you over. He literally works for the military. I heard him work for the clown government, dude. Where are they taking you?
Yo, the clown government? Yo, they have a clown government? Oh my god, yo. What's next? Oh my god. Yo, I don't know what's gonna happen next. Yo, Yo, guys, should I look on the news? Yo. I don't know. Guys, comment down below what you guys think.
But then they got a random call saying that they wanted to freaking take me
Oh my
out.
god.
What? And that's when the mama clown really took me out. Everything's good. I'm just letting the prisoner know that if he tries anything, he's gonna regret it. Help! Okay, no, that was a close call. I almost got caught, dude.
Yo.
How do we get out of here? I don't know. What the hell are we gonna do? I have no idea how we're gonna get out of here. This thing is freaking too risky with all these clowns aboard the train. Do you have any idea? Dude, well, maybe if we use the freaking Tesla to kind of like block them in the road, then they could stop, and then we'll just punch General Greeny and then hijack the train.
Okay, they're turning. Should I turn as well?
Yo. If that happens,
Where do you think they're going?
I have no clue.
What the hell? I have no idea. They look like they're just like making a circle or something.
yo, this is insane.
Get out of this freaking train. Wait, I think he's stopping the train. What the heck? Dude, I think he's asking for tickets. He's asking for tickets. He's doing freaking ticket inspection. What the hell, Andre, what do you do? Dude, I don't have a ticket. You have one? What the hell?
Oh my god. Oh my.
Ticket? I don't have a ticket because I must have lost it. The promotion when I was chasing after you guys. You weren't stuck in those for a second.
Oh my god. Stromedy's gonna get caught. Oh my god. This is so stressful, guys.
Stay right there, I'll be back. You stay right there. Okay, I'm getting out right now. Take your mask off. Take my mask off. The general wouldn't be too happy about me. Take my mask off. What's that? What the hell? They're pulling in front of the car.
Yo, this is insane. Oh my god. That is insane, guys. Yo.
We're all distracted by DK Donna and Diego. What the hell? They're attacking the Tesla. Yo, Andre, this is our chance to escape, dude. Yo, let's get in the freaking train, driver's seat, and steal this train.
Yo, go, man. Go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Go.
Get in. Here, Andre, take the camera. Go. Okay, yo, I'm going right now. Go. Okay, I stole the train. Go. Stupid freaking clown. See you later, clowns. You guys. Stupid. Oh my god. Holy crap. Stromedy Squad, we stole the freaking train. Let's get the hell out of here, dude. Let's go. I can't believe we actually stole the train. Look at all the clowns. Oh my god. Holy crap.
Yo, that is insane.
Guys, we stole the freaking train. Yo, let's meet up at the end of the street, okay?
Yo, that is insane, guys.
And as always, our Prime Capital team.
Guys, that was insane. I can't believe this. But hey, since we saw everything, I guess that the clowns are so mad and they want some revenge about this. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, make sure you follow me and Kyle and all the others on Prime Capital. Follow them on TikTok and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. We hate you, clowns. We hate you.
Hey girl, tú sabes por qué estoy esperando aquí en Montreal. Solo lo que quiero decirte es que te amo. No me importa lo que la gente diga sobre ti. Hey girl, you know that I'm waiting for you, but then I'm trying to find you on Montreal. I don't even know where I can find you, but some